There were some pretty clean welds too.
Again, not real. I mean, this one's like okay.
I've seen you do worse.
Oh, I have certainly done worse.
All right, welcome back to Building Built Right. This week's a bit of a funny one. We had a Super Duty in the shop and we got excited about dusting off a design that I had created when Building Built Right was actually happening in my garage in like 2017. So the Super Duty bedside rack system uses the same front panel as an F-150, and it's a little bit small in the Super Duty bed. So I designed a larger panel and tucked that CAD file away. Matty happened to find it the other day. We had a Super Duty here, so we got excited about prototyping it, and we did that without following our normal engineering and design process. And quite predictably, the result is that it didn't fit. And we learned a good lesson, which is to stick to our current process. So you're gonna see a bit of that with Matty, and I'll check back in with you at the end.
Just gonna wait a second for that guy.
That loud dude.
Getting loud over there. Watch out for him. All right.
Okay, go for it.
All right, guys, welcome back. We are back here at the plasma table. We'll be cutting out some prototypes for an F-250 that we have in for a couple of days. We're going to be installing a bar, we're going to be installing bedside racks, we're going to be installing seat back MOLLE, I think. So we're going to jump in, like I said, going to cut this prototype, and then we're going to head over to the truck. Alright, so the prototype is finished cutting on the plasma table. Got a really, really nice cut. You're gonna throw it up on the fab table, grind it down, throw the dross off of it quick, bend it up, and throw it on the truck. We're actually gonna run and grab that, and then we'll see you guys in a bit. I'm like an eye welder.
Yeah, you're good.
I can make it stick.
We should do one of those videos. How much do you think you're worth based on this weld?
How much do I think I'm worth based on my welds? 0. Make it stick. Alright, so we bent and tacked the prototype panel. We will install it on the F-250 tomorrow morning, I believe, right, Max?
Yep, as a test fit.
So next time you see it, it might be black if we have time. It might just be raw still, but it will be in an F-250.
Hell yeah. Nice, it looks great. Matty, how tall are you, buddy?
I'm like 6 feet tall.
6 feet?
We're the same height. I'm bigger than you and older than you. Those boots might not fit though.
Matty, let's see you get in the passenger seat. The two of you in there? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know if shoulders will fit.
All right, left foot, butt, fall in, tuck that right foot up.
Oh yeah, just
There you go.
a couple of guys. Going up to the bar with one of your buddies.
You guys going to Cars and Coffee? It's nice and intimate
I mean,
in here.
there is a leg room.
No, it's not. Once you're in, it's not bad.
No, it's comfortable.
Not they gotta get out.
You're like 2 inches off the ground.
Yeah, you gotta go. But you can't pull on this.
Can't pull on this.
No. You gotta kind of now fold yourself forward, get your head out next. There you go. There he goes.
Ladies. It's a very small car.
Yeah.
The roofline is equal with the fenders.
Should I park it side by side next to the Super Duty?
Put it in the bed of it.
could. Yeah, it looks like you could like pick it up.
Give it a shot, big guy.
All right, guys.
Okay, as much as I want the building built right to be entirely about this thing, I should probably stop shooting.
I do love our stickers. The vinyl is like good, like automotive vinyl. It's good enough.
They always feel right. La 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 la.
Nice. That sounded great. What key was that?
G. Alright, so we're back. It is the next day. We are in the bed of the Super Duty. We're going to take the 4 box link plates out of this truck. We're going to install our prototype panel. And then we're going to install a set of bedside rack panels, all of them. And Max and Leah are going to be taking some product photos. They're going to take some product photos of the bar, which we shot the install guide for yesterday. And yeah, so that's kind of the plan.
Beautiful weld, sir.
Not really.
They do the job. Question. This is pressed right there.
Yep.
And I see it like really tensioning it. So is that just the amount of material that's in the bend?
That's what we're testing it.
Gotcha. Well, yeah, no, I know that, but all right, cool. So I didn't know if you were gonna, if there was a lot more to go on that, and if you saw the pressure there, but
I mean, obviously, like, we can't have that.
yeah. So is that a case for like cutting one set of MOLLE off?
Yeah, we could probably cut the bottom section of MOLLE off. But like, this is literally why we test fit stuff.
Yeah, yeah. Matty's grabbing his computer so we can take a look at the model. We're gonna quickly also compare it to the F-150 panel, the 102002. So yeah, this is the F-150 front panel, and very similar design to the Super Duty panel, to this prototype Super Duty panel, but just a little bit smaller, as you can see. All right, we've got the computer out, pulling it up in SolidWorks.
Yeah.
How's it looking?
Okay, so we've been working off not a long box, which is obviously the problem.
This is the long box.
This is a short box.
Okay.
So this is like the 6-foot bed. And the model that I have here is for an 8-foot bed.
Gotcha. Nice. So we're talking about this panel, huh? That's a thumbnail.
It's aging in the back of the bed.
We're watching it happen on camera. What's the verdict?
Alright, so test fit the front panel. We modeled it in CAD based off of an 8-foot bed. This is obviously the 6 and a little bit bed. So it's smaller, so there's less room from the wheel well to the cab wall of the bed. So it pushes everything back towards the wheel well. We're rubbing on this rib. We would have to cut away a bunch of the panel, and probably would just make it not really worthwhile when it comes to like stocking another part, having to create a shipping solution, a box solution, all that kind of stuff. So we're probably not gonna end up making this. What we are talking about doing, and what we've been talking about doing for a little while, is making a pro kit for the Super Duties and the F-150s. So that will probably start to come to fruition here, because we can't make this panel. So that'll probably be in the works. But yeah, for now, This one is gonna get laid down. This is just part of the design process. Sometimes you get a little bit of the ways down the road and you got to abandon a project. Not a big deal. It's something that happens with us pretty frequently. It's a part of wanting to make the best things, is sometimes you're just not gonna hit your mark, and that's all right. We're accepting of that.
Yeah, got it. Well,
So gonna pop this off, install the 4 panels, and get ready to shoot some cool pictures.
heck yeah. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, so now we're running the show now. We're gonna do the installation.
No, I just heard Dennis talking about ISS, so I had to.
Yeah, no, I stopped. I saw cameras. I'm a different generation.
There were some pretty clean welds too.
Again, not real. I mean, this one's like okay.
I've seen you do worse.
Oh, I have certainly done worse.
Apple bottom. Adults.
Don't do that.
Don't talk about your apple bottom jeans. Please. Let me cook.
No.
Cool. This looks great.
All right, so that was a little bit painful for me to watch. Obviously, this is not something we are going to make as a product for a number of reasons that Matty explained. There is a bit of a silver lining, and that is that this failure got us talking about and thinking about and laughing about a potential solution that I think is going to be a more comprehensive solution, not just for the Super Duty, but for the F-150 and Raptor as well. And that is a set of panels that are going to provide you guys with some additional room for activities. We will share more of that with you over the course of the next 6 months as we follow our actual engineering and design process through that. So in the meantime, check out our bar install guide. We'll link it in the description. Questions, feedback, comments, hit us up in the comments, give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to chat. We'll see you next week. Welcome back to Building Built Rig. Welcome back to Building Built White.
Welcome back today.